which executes the instructions in the kernel space. Now, a process is created for the Microsoft Word application by the Process Management Unit. The created process is allocated a memory space for its executions in the RAM. This allocated block of memory holds the process stack along with the process control block that is used for the process, identification, state, and control. Now, when a word, for example infisec, is typed in the Word application, the application program holds the values in the allocated buffer space on the process stack. The action of typing a word is taken care of by the application, and the instructions given here are executed in the user space. When the user clicks on Save, a system call is generated that transfers the control to the system software, which is nothing but the OS. The OS now calls the File Management Unit, which checks for the extension of the file that is saved and creates a link to open it via the application which was used to create it. The File Management Unit, or File System as it is also known, is the one that is used to organize and keep track of files in a system. These file locations are also called directories. The place where the OS gets installed is called the root directory of the system, wherein the root directory of a Windows system is C:, while that of a Starnix system would be /. There are different types of file systems depending on the OS. Let us take a look at them. When the OS is Microsoft Windows, it generally uses FAT, File Allocation Table, which is the default system for removable media in Windows. Whenever a file is written to the hard disk, it creates an entry in the root directory. So when a file needs to be retrieved, the FAT looks for the entry from the root directory and then locates the file. It may also use NTFS or exFAT, which are similar to that of FAT with enhanced extensions. When the OS is Unix or Linux, it uses the Extended File System, which follows the VFS or Virtual File System, an interface between the kernel and the concrete file system. The data structure of the Extended File System consists of the J nodes, which are a list of file pointers,